Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween with a fantastic find: the Bencailor 6-piece Halloween Kids Pirate Costume Accessory Set. Let's set sail into this exciting review. Are you ready to transform your little ones into swashbuckling pirates this Halloween? Look no further than this incredible pirate costume set. It's the perfect ensemble to ignite their imagination and embark on thrilling adventures. This set comes packed with everything your child needs to become the ultimate pirate captain or fearless buccaneer. From a rugged pirate vest to a skull-adorned bandana, each piece is crafted with quality materials to ensure durability and comfort. Let's talk about the details. The pirate vest, hat, eye patch, hook, coin bag, and bandana are all thoughtfully designed to withstand hours of swashbuckling fun. Made from non-woven fabric, PU leather, and cotton, these accessories are both sturdy and safe for your little adventurers. Now, let's address the all-important question: will it fit? This costume set is suitable for children ranging from 32 to 55 inches in height. Plus, with adjustable features like the hook and eye patch, you can customize the fit for a snug and comfortable experience. But wait, there's more. This versatile costume set isn't just for Halloween. Whether it's a themed party, a stage performance, or simply a day of imaginative play, these pirate accessories will elevate the fun factor wherever they go. In conclusion, the Bencailor 6-piece Halloween Kids Pirate Costume Accessories Set is a must-have for any young buccaneer in training. With its quality craftsmanship, versatile design, and endless opportunities for adventure, it's truly the best Halloween accessory for kids on the market. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Until next time, happy sailing, mateys!